Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where the mouse cursor is moving on its own, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now, before we proceed to the software level, there are two main hardware related concerns. One is that you could be using a Bluetooth mouse in which would be kept at a different location, which is not very far from the range of your computer, but it is moving, or some button is pressed on it, or the scroll bar is pressed on it. The second thing is that one of the arrow keys are stuck, and this can also happen if you're using a Bluetooth keyboard which is kept elsewhere. And the last reason could be that the touchpad of your system has interference. So isolate these causes, and if it is none of these, then here's what you can do. Search for device manager and open the device manager. Expand the list for mice and other pointing devices. Right click and update the drivers for both of them, or all of them rather, to be said. Okay, this should solve the problem. If it does not, then right click on these and select uninstall device. Click on action and then scan for hardware changes. So do it for all the mouse drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.